Good morning, dear.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir. What about you?
I'm also good, dear. I'm going to ask you some basic questions, and this is the part one of the speaking task. The first question is: do you spend much time with friends or with family?
Well, I spend time equally with my friends and family because, according to me, both friends and family are important.
Who are you very closest to in your family?
I think I am very much closest to with my brother because we are of same age as we don't have much age difference. And second thing, we both have same understanding. With the help of that, we understand each other very well.
Who is your best friend?
Well, I have a best friend named as Dipanshu. He is with me from my third standard, and he also understands me very much.
Are you still friends with people from your childhood?
Yeah, I'm still. I have still my friends which are with me from my childhood because those friends are very precious to me and they understand me very well.
Is family important in your country?
Yeah, according to me, I think family is completely important for everyone and for me also.
What is your favorite food and why?
Well, I like homemade foods like rice, chapati, and dal because these foods are found to be very nutrition foods, and they are very much healthy for our health also.
Have you always liked the same food?
Yeah, I like the same food as I like homemade food like chapati, rice, and dal.
Is there any food you dislike?
Yeah, I think there are some vegetables which I don't like and which I have never which I never had in my life. I think.
What is the common meal in your country?
Common meal is like chapati, rice, and dal, and several other vegetables also which are very much common in my country.
Do you have a healthy diet?
Yeah, I regularly have a healthy diet because healthy diet is very much necessary for me.
What do you think of fast food?
Fast food, according to me, I think fast food is not a healthy food for children as well as for adults because it's first of all it's not much nutritive food, and second thing it spoils our health also. That's why I don't think that fast food is good for health.
Do you know anything about growing plants?
I don't know much, but I would like to say that I grow various plants when I was a child in my school.
Do you keep plants at home?
Yeah, I keep various kind of plants at my home like tulsi, money plant, and several other plants also.
Did you grow any plants when you were young?
Yeah, when I was young, grew various plants. Like in my school, there was a regular camp named as NSS camp, in which our teachers taught us how to grow trees and how to plant them.
Do you like to take photos?
I don't like to take photos much, but we can say when several moments I like to do them. So,
in which situation do you take photos?
Well, it depends on situation. Like if I go on someone's birthday, or we are going on a trip, or some other situation also when I like to click photos.
How do you store your photos?
Well, I store my photos in a pen drive or sometime in computer.
Do you prefer to take photos of yourself or have other people to take photos?
Well, it depends on me. If I like to click my photos, or if I want to click my friends' photos, and if I want a photo of together with my friend, then I ask someone to click our photos.
Do you travel by public transport?
Yes, I regularly use public transports.
When was the last time you traveled by public transport?
I think in the last month when I visited to my village, I used public transport.
What you don't like about public transport?
The most important thing that I don't like about the public transport is that public transport are usually found fully crowded. That's the most worst thing I think I dislike about that.
Would you prefer to use public transport in the future?
Yeah, I think I will definitely prefer to use public transport in the future because there are several reasons behind this.
Have you ever met a celebrity in real life?
Not till now I haven't met any celebrity in my life, but in future if I will get a chance, I will definitely meet any celebrity.
Who is your favorite movie star?
Well, my favorite movie star is Akshay Kumar.
Are international sports stars popular in your country?
Yeah, several international sports stars like Ronaldo and several others also very much famous in my country.
Do you ever drink bottled water?
Yeah, I usually drink water.
Bottled water.
Water in bottle.
What kind of water do you like to drink?
I usually like to drink fresh and cold water.
How often do you drink water in a day?
Well, I oftenly drink water like 10 to 12 times a day.
Do you think water is an important resource?
Yeah, I think water is a very important resource for our body because there are several works and functions in our body that are carried out by water.
What is your favorite color?
Well, I like black and blue and several other dark colors also.
Do you usually wear clothes in your favorite color?
Yeah, I usually wear. I always wear color which are favorite, which are very favorite, and which I like the most.
Is there any color which you dislike?
No, I don't think so. There is any color that I dislike?
Do you like dark colors or light colors?
Well, I like dark colors more because dark color shows my personality and also suits on my personality.
Okay, this is the end of part 1.